looks perfect on it.
Appreciate that.
Did you use this color to back everything on it, or was it backed out for you before there?
So right now it's bone stock from the factory.
Okay.
I'm gonna get a new exhaust for it.
Okay.
No, not too many mods. I've only had it for like 3 weeks, so I'm still working on it.
3 weeks? Oh, okay.
Yeah, 3 weeks.
So, what are your plans with the bike? What are you going to change?
First thing, rock the full exhaust.
Okay.
Gonna get it flashed, and then tail tidy.
Okay.
Tail tidy on it.
Yeah.
A couple of other things too as well.
Yeah, the exhaust factory does not look good.
Too big and bulky. Look how.
Yeah, it looks ugly, right?
Yeah, look at that.
Already?
My girlfriend's boot on the back of that.
Oh,
Yeah, I
wow.
was riding, she fucking on her boot on that 2 days ago.
Good thing you're removing it anyway.
Taking it out.
Taking it out, yeah. So you're gonna change the exhaust out. You're gonna just probably flash it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
What else? Are you doing anything else here?
Maybe some different levers. You know, nothing too much. You know, I don't like to go too crazy.
Okay.
But yeah, I think those are the ones that are coming down the line right away.
Tell me about the warranty on the bike. Did you buy it when you bought it?
Yeah. So got the 5-year warranty.
5 years?
5 years.
What does it cover?
It covers everything that's not wear and tear. So motor, powertrain.
Okay.
Everything that's not like durable items like brakes or nothing like that. It doesn't cover that.
Okay.
But any like engine defects, anything of that nature within the first 5 years, it's fully covered.
Can you extend it after 5 years if you want?
I don't know. You know,
Okay.
I don't know. I know it's transferable.
Okay,
So if
it's
I sell it,
transferable.
somebody else could have it. Yeah.
I see that on the Suzuki, it looks like the dials look like manual.
Analog. Yeah.
Analog, I meant to say manual.
Yeah.
Analog. Is that the Suzuki style all the time?
No. So this is like for the Hayabusa engine pays heritage to the original one. So the original one had 2 big clocks on it.
Yes.
And they just kept that. They have a TFT in the middle.
Yeah, and it's very small.
Very little, yeah. But they keep these light up at night. It's like real cool.
Can you turn it on? I just want to see if I can to show the viewers. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Let's see.
So you got the quad lock.
Yeah, just got the quad lock for it.
Yeah. Do you have the damper with it?
Oh, yeah. I have one in there.
Yeah. Oh yeah, right here.
Flashes.
Okay. Now, tell me about the features. What features does this have? Like ABS,
Yeah,
traction control?
ABS, traction control, wheelie control, or they call it lift control. 3 power modes, 2 quick shifter modes.
Okay.
It has lean traction control in there. Yeah, it has a lot of shit. It has a lot of different things.
Is there anything missing that you wish you had it?
Only thing, I wish I could see the speed on here. I wish I could see the speed on
I know what you mean.
here.
Okay, yeah.
When I'm riding, I always gotta look over here, and you don't never know. Like I want to see it digital.
Yeah,
right?
because this is right in the center. I totally get what you're saying. That it would have been really nice if they had like this.
So this display is a lean angle.
Yes.
Has your throttle, like your brake. Like if you're using the rear brake, it'll show on there.
Okay. Does it have a hill
hold.
Does it? It does? Okay.
Yeah.
So it has a lot of new features.
Yep.
So this one is what do you call it? Gen 3?
Yep. Gen 3.
Is it Gen 3.0?
I think it's called the Gen 3.
Okay.
Yeah.
Gen 3, okay.
Yep.
Yeah. Because there's the Gen 2, 2.5, and then 3.0, right?
I think there's 3 gens. I mean, there's the first, the OG, and the Gen 2, and I think this is the 3rd one.
The Gen 3, okay. Yeah, you know Hammer?
Yeah.
So he told me that his is like Gen 2.5. That's why. Maybe he calls it 2.5, right?
Yeah.
That's why. No, this is beautiful, but I agree that it would have been a nice to have because I would be looking in the middle too.
Yeah.
And not to the right hand side, right?
Yeah, so you got, so if you go this way, let's see, I think you got,
back right here, right?
I don't know if my helmet on. You got 3 user modes, so you got A, You got A, B, C, and then you got 3 custom modes that you can put.
So what are the ABC means?
So A is power on 1. So 1 is like the most power.
Okay.
Traction control on 1. And then you got your wheelie control like on 1, and then engine braking off.
Okay.
So that's just like everything. When you go to B, it's like you want to chill. You got power on 2. It's more toned down.
Okay.
You got your traction control on 5. And then when you go to 3, it's kind of like supposed to be like a rain mode.
Oh yeah.
So
Okay.
you got the lowest traction control all the way on 10.
So are you riding between A and B mostly?
Only ride it on A.
On A. Okay.
And then I haven't programmed any of the user modes.
Yeah, because you just got it.
Yeah.
So it's going to take you some time because you know how it's like a car. When you get the car brand new, it's got so many things. We only use like 1/10 of it, right?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
You know? So is this the only bike you have right now?
Yeah, this is my only bike right now.
Are you planning on getting another bike or no?
I might go back to 1,000 again. I've been looking at some. We're probably not for at least 2 years.
Okay. So right now, one bike, you're happy. It does everything for you. It's good. But in the future, you might look at another bike. If you look at another bike, are you going to keep this or going to sell it?
No, I'm going to keep this.
Keep it.
I'm going to take this with me, yeah.
Yeah. This is your baby, right?
Baby, yeah.
And once you put the exhaust and all that, it'll be like custom to you then, right?
Yeah.
So yeah. That's good. Good. Well, it's nice meeting you. Thank you very much for your time on this. You know what I mean?
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.